Hey students, welcome back to my channel Simple Alchemy. First, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. Hey buddies, ready to master the lab like a pro? Today we are learning how to choose the right apparatus for your science experiments. Let's crack the code together. First of all, why selecting the right equipment matters? Choosing the right equipment is like choosing the right tool for the job. It depends on how big or small your experiment is and how accurate you want your results to be. First, we have accuracy and precision. How accuracy and precision matters and why they are useful in selecting the right apparatus. What is accuracy and precision? Let's clear this up. Accuracy means how close your answer is to the real value, and precision means how close your repeated results are to each other. In science, both of these things matter. See this diagram. You can see if the experiment is if the result is closer to the original value and the answers are also close to each other, then they are accurate and precise. But if the answers are close to each other but they are not closer to the original value, we'll say it's not accurate but precise. If the answers are closer to the original value but they are far from each other, then they are accurate but not precise. And when the answers are neither close to each other and neither they are close to the original value, they are not accurate and not precise. They both are important for selecting the apparatus. Now, which equipment we use for time, mass, temperature, and pH? So, measuring time, mass, temperature, and pH. For time, you can use a stopwatch. For mass, we can use a top pan balance. For temperature, use a thermometer or a digital thermometer. For pH, try indicator paper or any of the digital pH meter. Next in this video, we'll study about calibration and resolution. What is calibration and resolution and how it is important? Resolution is, it tells you how smaller change the instrument can detect. So if a smaller change, the smaller the value, the better it is. So how small value it can measure. Calibration is, it means checking your tool which gives correct results. So if your apparatus is giving a correct result, that means it is good. That is called a calibration, like setting a clock to the right time. Resolution and calibration. We can see the definitions from here also. Resolution is the smallest division on the instrument, the smallest division or the smallest measurement which it can measure. Like this could be 1 millimeter on a ruler or 0.1 gram on a balance. Calibration is the process of checking that the device gives accurate values by using it to read samples of known values. Next, we have the instruments which are used to measure the volumes of liquids. Want to measure the liquid? First, you have a beaker, which is used for rough amounts, fixed amounts. Measuring cylinder is more accurate to measure the fixed amounts. Volumetric pipette is super accurate, and burette is used for variable volumes. In titration, it is also accurate. Next, if we want to measure the gases, want to know how we can collect and measure the gas? First, we have a gas syringe, and the second, we have inverted measuring cylinder. But inverted measuring cylinder cannot be used for the soluble gases as it involves water in it. Did this video help you? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your classmates. And remember, science is cooler when you understand it. Thank you so much, and wait a little for the next video, which will also be related to the separating techniques and experimental methods. Thank you so much. Bye bye.